Today we're going to show you how you can get an optocoupler or phototransistor set up with an Arduino board as shown here, which is the chip on the right, flashing the LED on the right. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy this video for future updates and new videos. So here we can see in green some optocouplers on a relay board. So what they are is essentially a small LED and a transistor which is triggered by the presence of light packaged within a small integrated circuit. And if we connect this to our Arduino as shown here, and there are links in the description to all of the diagrams shown, then we can drive a different powered item, such as a light, through our optocoupler. They're also often used to drive LEDs to ensure that the noise of the coil bounce doesn't affect the Arduino. So we've just loaded Blink here and selected our board and our COM port, and if you just build and upload this and connect it to pin 13 of your Arduino, then the optocoupler will be triggered at the same time as the onboard LED, as we can see here. So in this example we're only using the 3 volt LED, but it could of course be a 12 or even 24 volt light.